Hey everyone, welcome to another Tech Tip Tuesday, where we're discussing tech tips that are useful for you in your everyday life and in ways that are easy to understand. All right, let's get started.
Hey everyone, in today's episode of Tech Tips for Entrepreneurs, I'm going to be talking to you about how to transfer a Zoom meeting between your computer and your phone. So before we get started, there's a couple things that you'll need to do. First off, you'll need to make sure that the desktop app of Zoom is version 5.7 or 6 or higher. And then the app on your phone is also 5.7 or 6 or higher. And then make sure you're signed into the same account on both devices. All right, once you've done all that, we can get started. So you can see over here on the left, I have a Zoom meeting on my computer opened. And I'm talking and I'm doing things on it. You can see my hands. And then on my phone over here, you can see I have the Zoom app open. And you can see that there's a button that's called Switch. So if I click this button called Switch, you can now see that the app has ended on my computer and now I'm on my phone in the same meeting. We're in the same meeting and all that good stuff right here. Now, if I wanted to switch back to my computer, you can now see that there's a switch button on my computer. And now I'm back on my computer. All right, and that's it for today's episode for Tech Tips for Entrepreneurs. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below.
Thanks for joining me for another Tech Tip Tuesday. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to this channel. I release a new video every Tuesday. All right, see you in the next one.